A risk register is not a document you fill once to look professional. It is a living list of what could hurt the project with owners, triggers, and next actions before the surprise hits the demo. Teams brainstorm risks in week 1, then never open the file again. Issues arrive as emergencies. That is not fate. It is a dead spreadsheet wearing a serious file name. A living register is reviewed on a rhythm, while a dead sheet gets archived after kickoff. A living register names who watches each risk. A dead sheet has rows with no names. A living register has a next step before the trigger fires. A dead sheet only has adjectives like high. If your register cannot answer who acts before the trigger, it is theatre with columns. Pause on the probability versus impact matrix. This is how you sort before you panic. Low-impact risks can wait, even if they feel frequent. Medium boxes need a named response. High impact with medium or high probability climbs the list and gets owners this week. Watch 3 example risks land on the board. DNS cutover in the high impact band, vendor delay where probability is high, and a key person out where impact is high, even if probability looks low. The matrix is not a prediction machine. It is a sorting tool, so the team spends attention where damage would actually matter. Sorting is step 1. The register only works when identify, score, respond, assign, and review run as a habit, not a kickoff ritual. Run risk as a short loop. Identify by writing the risk as cause, then event, then impact, not a vague worry. Score with rough probability and impact so you can place it on the matrix. Perfection is optional. Respond by choosing avoid, mitigate, transfer, or accept, then write the action. Assign 1 owner per risk. Watchers can help, but owners decide. Review weekly or bi-weekly, retire dead risks, and escalate triggered ones as issues. Put 1 risk through the whole loop. Website migration. DNS cutover. Watch it climb the matrix, then watch the score move after a dry run. Walk a website migration. The risk is that DNS cutover fails, the site goes down, and revenue and trust take the hit. Score it medium probability. High impact, so it sits at the top of the attention list. Mitigate with a dry run cutover, a rollback plan, and a war room checklist. The tech lead owns the dry run, and the project manager owns go/no-go timing. After the dry run succeeds, lower the probability, but keep rollback until the site is stable. That is a living register. The row changes when evidence changes. Response without an owner is theatre. An owner without a next action is a name on a scary list. Useful rows always carry both: who watches and what they do before the trigger fires. 3 traps kill registers: vague worries with no cause-event impact, scores that never change after week 1, no ritual so the file becomes archaeology. A 15-minute review beats a heroic post-mortem, close with 3 Monday moves. 3 moves for Monday. Write 5 risks in cause-event impact form. Place them on a rough probability impact matrix. Name 1 owner and 1 next action for every risk in the top right half of the board. Next on How Work Works. More delivery systems. Diagrams first. Subscribe if you want the matrix before the spreadsheet folklore.